It's Brian, and today we're going to be taking a look at Authentic Web's BRAM platform and how to edit a zone record for a domain on the platform. I'm going to get started by logging into the platform. And as always, we want to verify that we have permission to do the task that we're trying to do here. So I'm going to hit my username in the left menu here and scroll down to the user permissions section. So to edit a zone record for a domain, I need the IT permission for the applicable operating entity that the domain is assigned to. I do have that, so I can head back to the dashboard. And to edit a domain's zone record, I have to actually find the domain first. So I'm going to hit Domains in the left menu here. It's going to take me to a table which lists all the domains on the platform. You can see we have over 3,000 on this platform. And I can use the search box up here to start typing in a few characters of the domain name to find it. Or I can use the advanced search feature at the top here, which has a couple of ways to filter the list you can see. I'm actually just going to pick this second domain name in the list here by clicking the eye icon to the left of it. And that's going to take me to the domain details page. What I'm interested in is on the secondary nav, the DNS zone information option, and then the zone records. Now note, this may not be available immediately on the domain details page if you're not using Authentic Web's name servers. So if you don't have this option, just double check in the name servers that use Authentic Web name servers is toggled to on, and then this will become available. So right now you can see there are no zone records for this domain. So I'd like to get started by adding one. And you can see by default we're adding an apex A record. The @ symbol symbolizes a bear or apex record. And then I would need to include the destination IP address where I'd like this to point. So I can, just for demonstration purposes, point this to 1.1.1.1. And if that's all I want to do, I could hit save and I'd be done. If I want to add some more records, for example, host 1, and a record for host 1, I can enter that. And I do need to enter a domain or an IP address as well. If I try to hit save right now, it's going to ask me to fill that out. So again, for demonstration purposes, I'll just hit 2.2.2.2, hit save, and here's a summary of the changes that I've just requested, so I can just review that. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to hit OK. And the system lets me know up top that the zone record has successfully been updated. That about concludes the Authentic Web BRAM platform zone record editing, and thank you for watching.